Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Keurig Descaler is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked maintenance products for any Keurig coffee maker owner, ensuring that your beloved machine continues to brew delicious, hot coffee without any hiccups or mineral buildup that can affect taste and longevity. If you're tired of slow brewing, inconsistent temperatures, or that dreaded descale light blinking incessantly, then investing in a quality descaler is your first and most crucial step towards restoring your Keurig to its former glory and enjoying that perfect cup every single morning. Number 5. IMPRESA Coffee Machine Descaler. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? Our powerful descaler is specially formulated to gently restore its optimal performance. This descaling solution works with virtually all single-use coffee and espresso machines. It's compatible with popular brands like Nespresso and DeLonghi, and many more. Regularly remove limescale and mineral deposits to prevent corrosion. This not only extends the lifespan of your machine but also significantly enhances the taste of your coffee. Whether you have an automatic, manual, pod, or filter machine, this descaler is suitable for cleaning them all. It even works for kettles and water heaters. Get 2 uses per bottle of this effective descaling solution, proudly made in the USA. For best results, decale your machine every 2 to 3 months. What we like? This descaler offers a universal formula, making it compatible with a vast range of coffee and espresso machines. It's also proudly made in the USA and provides 2 uses per bottle. If you have multiple types of coffee machines or are looking for a reliable, domestically produced option, this is a great choice. What people say. It broke down the hard water and mineral buildup incredibly fast. After running the solution through and flushing the machine, it is brewing a full cup in half the time it was taking yesterday. This is always my biggest fear with liquid descalers. Thankfully, after running a couple of tanks of fresh water through to rinse it, my next cup of coffee tasted perfectly clean with absolutely no lingering chemical or vinegar-like flavor. Getting a 2-pack where each bottle provides 2 uses means you get 4 total descaling sessions out of this order. Number 4. Essential Values Descaling Solution. Tired of scale buildup affecting your coffee? Our powerful descaling solution is here to help. It effectively removes mineral deposits, ensuring your machine runs smoothly. This versatile cleaner is designed for a range of popular coffee makers. It works wonders on DeLonghi, Keurig, Breville, and Nespresso machines. Keep all your favorites in top condition. Over time, scale can impact the taste and performance of your coffee maker. Using this descaler regularly will restore its optimal function. Enjoy better tasting coffee with every brew. Our liquid formula makes descaling simple and hassle-free. Just follow the easy instructions to clean your automatic coffee makers and espresso machines. It's a quick way to maintain your appliance. Each bottle provides multiple uses, offering great value. With 4 uses per container, you can keep your coffee machines descaled for longer. It's an economical choice for coffee lovers. Protect your investment in quality coffee equipment. Regular descaling with our solution helps extend the life of your machine. Ensure delicious coffee for years to come. What we like? This liquid descaling solution provides 4 uses per bottle and is specifically formulated for brands like DeLonghi, Keurig, and Breville. If you own one of these popular brands and prefer a liquid descaler that offers multiple uses, this is an excellent option for maintaining your machine's performance. What people say. The Keurig-compatible descaling solution and cleaner is specifically designed to remove mineral buildup and limescale that can accumulate over time in coffee makers. It effectively tackles the hard-to-reach areas of the machine, including internal components and water lines, restoring them to their optimal functionality. This descaling solution and cleaner combo is a reliable and convenient choice for keeping your coffee and espresso machines running smoothly. The Keurig-compatible descaling solution and cleaner is not limited to Keurig machines only. It works seamlessly with other popular brands such as Nespresso, Breville, and various coffee pots and espresso machines. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for households with different coffee makers, allowing you to maintain all your machines with a single solution. Number 3. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Keep your coffee machine in top condition with these powerful cleaning tablets. They are designed to effectively remove scale and residue, ensuring a perfect brew every time. These descaling tablets are compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. Enjoy a thorough clean no matter what machine you use. Over time, mineral buildup can affect the taste of your coffee and the performance of your machine. Our tablets help restore both, bringing back the rich flavor you love. Using these tablets is simple and hassle-free. Just follow the instructions for your specific machine, and let them do the work. This pack contains 24 tablets, providing you with multiple cleaning cycles. Keep your coffee maker running smoothly for longer with this convenient supply. Whether you prefer a classic drip coffee or a rich espresso, these tablets are suitable for both. They ensure your machine is clean and ready for any coffee creation. What we like. These Descaler tablets come in a convenient pack of 24, offering a simple and mess-free way to clean your coffee machines. If you prefer the ease of use and portion control that tablets provide, and want a long-lasting supply, these are ideal for regular maintenance of various machine types. What people say. These tablets make it really easy to decale and maintain the coffee machine. Just drop one in and run the cleaning cycle. Works as advertised. Much easier to use and clean Keurig over other descaling methods. Cleaned literal chunks of scale out of my Nespresso. Cannot recommend enough, and great price. Number 2. FreshFlow Keurig Compatible Descaling Solution. Ensure your coffee machine runs smoothly and brews delicious coffee every time. This powerful descaling solution effectively removes buildup, extending the life of your brewer. Are you noticing a difference in your coffee's flavor? Lime scale and mineral deposits can affect taste. Our solution restores the best flavor and prevents corrosion for a superior coffee experience. Mineral buildup can slow down your machine and reduce brew quality. This descaler flushes out impurities, ensuring optimal performance and a better cup of coffee. Designed to work with not only Keurig machines but also a wide range of single-use, drip, and espresso makers. It's the versatile solution for all your brewing needs. This kit comes complete with 4 concentrated uses of descaler and 4 replacement water filters. Keep your water pure and your machine performing at its best. Made in the USA, this descaling kit is simple to use. Just follow the instructions to decale your machine every 2 to 3 months or when the indicator light appears. What we like. This kit not only includes a concentrated descaling solution for all 1.0 and 2.0 K-cup machines but also comes with 4 replacement filters. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution that also addresses water filtration for your Keurig or other single-serve machines, this bundle offers great value and convenience. What people say. This descaler works great and is easy to use. It effectively removes mineral buildup from my Keurig machine, keeping it running smoothly. The descaling process is straightforward and doesn't take too long. Number 1. IMPRESA Coffee Machine Descaler and Cleaning Bundle. Ensure your coffee machine always brews the perfect cup. This bundle is designed to keep it in top condition for optimal performance. Tackle tough mineral buildup with our powerful descaling solution. It effectively removes scale, restoring your brewer's efficiency. Go beyond descaling with our maintenance pods. They provide a deep clean, removing coffee oils and residue for a fresher taste. Designed for seamless integration with Keurig K-Duo and K-Cup brewers. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning for your favorite machine. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for both descaling and regular maintenance. Keep your coffee pot and brewer clean with ease. A clean machine means better tasting coffee. Experience the true flavor of your favorite brews, free from any lingering impurities. What we like. This bundle offers both a descaling solution and maintenance pods, specifically designed for Keurig K-Duo and K-Cup brewers. If you own a Keurig K-Duo and want a complete cleaning and maintenance package to ensure optimal performance and taste, this all-in-one kit is perfect for you. What people say. These products, a descaler and a pod to run through the maker work to rid a Keurig of buildup from usage, are intended to clean it and to keep it working well and longer. The descaler and K-cups were simple to use and did a great job. So much black came out of my machine it looked like I'd brewed a cup of coffee. I'm sold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.